Welcome back once again to howtocookreadyfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, just finished steaming hot, doing a beef and vegetable stew with cumin. Absolutely delicious, full of goodness. Doesn't take that long considering it's beef. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's jump in on this one then, shall we? So I've got some beef there, and I've got some nice cubed. It's actually a really nice quality beef, this one. Little tiny bit of fat, but nearly all meat, no bone in there. One onion sliced, I'm using a red. I've got some pumpkin there, some potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy one, nice ripe tomato. In here we've got some spices. Let's have a look at this. We've got salt and pepper. I've got some thyme, chili and cumin. Now I've got 3 teaspoons of cumin, 2 of chili, 1 of thyme, and about 1 of the salt and pepper. Garlic, there's like 2 tablespoons of garlic there, quite a big feature in this one. We're going to start this off with some oil. This is really, really delicious. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our beef. And like I say, I've got a nice cut there. That's a really, really beautiful cut actually. Nice little bit of marbling in there. And we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so this is coming on really nicely. Now, if you've got a lower quality beef, what you can do is pour some water in there and cook it for about 5 minutes and let the water evaporate out. You know, that will kind of help it get a little bit more sort of tender. But this is, like I say, a nice cut. So let's go now in with our onion and our garlic. Let's go for about 2 to 3 minutes, then we can add some other vegetables. Okay, that's just a couple of minutes there. Now, we can add our carrots. We can add our potatoes. And we can add our pumpkin. Now, you, of course, can be using any vegetables you want. You can be putting some eggplants in here, some broccoli, cauliflower, peppers. This goes on and on. I'm just using this today. Okay, let's go for about another 4 to 5 minutes on this fairly lively heat, just above medium. Stirring every now and then. Fantastic. So we're just getting this together now. That meat's still not cooked yet. The vegetables are still quite hard. What we're going to do now is get in our spices. Let's just take one more look. So I've got some salt and pepper, thyme, cumin and chili powder. The cumin is about 3 times as much as everything else. You can play around with that if you want. But yeah, cumin's the big flavour there. Okay, now let's get our tomatoes in. I've got like 2 or 3 regular sized tomatoes there. And to that we're going to add 1 glass of water. Stay on this heat, and what we're looking for now is for those tomatoes to break down. They'll give off some form of gravy or moisture for us. So lid on, stay on this heat. 5 or 6 minutes. You can just leave it alone now. Okay, let's jump in there and take a look what we've got. And as you can see, we've got plenty of liquid from our tomatoes with that water. And like I say, I use water, but if you wanted, you could use some stock if you wanted, some beef stock or chicken stock. I just went with water. So what we're going to do now, get this on a nice low heat, on a simmer. We'll let that go now for about 10-12 minutes. That should be great. Okay, off goes the heat. I'll get some steam out of here. There's plenty of steam. And that is looking absolutely wonderful to me. Vegetables are tender, meat's nicely cooked. I'm going to finish this off with some cilantro or coriander, fresh coriander, whatever you call that. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. For me, it's all good. You've got yourself a lovely beef and vegetable stew there. Heavy on the cumin. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?